We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how we make perfect hard-boiled eggs. Add the eggs in one layer to the bottom of a tall, walled saucepan. Now cover them with water. You're looking to cover them by 1.5 inches or so. Heat over high heat until the water comes to a rolling boil. Cover the pan with a lid, cook for 30 seconds, then move completely from the heat and let stand for about 12 minutes for large eggs. Just before your timer goes off, prepare a large bowl filled with ice and cold water. Transfer the hot eggs to the ice bath so they stop cooking. Leave them there for about 5 minutes, then peel them. We're using large eggs, so the 12-minute cook time is perfect. Since egg sizes can vary, you may need to add or subtract a minute or two. Take a look at the blog post for more tips. The eggs should peel easily, but if one doesn't cooperate, place it back into the ice bath for 5 to 10 minutes. In that time, water will sneak underneath the shell and make peeling easier. There we go. And that's it. How we make perfect hard-boiled eggs for snacks, breakfast, or to be used in your favorite recipes. Here's us making our avocado egg salad. It's excellent and a fun twist on regular egg salad. We make it all the time. And here's our potato salad. Lots of good reviews on that one. You can find both videos on our YouTube channel or on the blog. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.